Cell division and growth. As you know, the living beings reproduce their offspring and also grow in size. It is one of the most important characteristic features of living beings. Plants and animals grow in size with the increase in number and size of the cells. Increase in cell number occurs by cell division. Each cell, when matures, divides into two cells called daughter cells, which are identical to mother cells. The nucleus and cytoplasm both divide into two daughter cells, which increase in size and again divide. Cells are divided for reproduction, growth, repair, and replacement of cells. For reproduction, in unicellular organisms, cells divided by binary fission to form new daughter cell. The daughter cells grow to their full size and then divide again. For repair and replacement of cell, almost all cells of all living organisms have a limited lifespan. After that, they die. So, after some time, old cells are replaced with new cells. The process of cell division helps to replace dead and worn-out cells. For growth, when cells divided, the body size increases because as the number of cells increases, the organism grows. For example, a seedling grows into big plant, a baby grows into child, and then into an adult. Know this: cell division is important and necessary for reproduction, growth, repair, and